Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create schedules on your Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet, and here's the look whenever you already open it, and let's jump into the tutorial directly. And the first thing you have to do, please click this plus button and just directly choose the template. In this template, the Google Sheet application already provides a lot of templates that you can use. Since we want to create a schedule, so you just need to find a schedule template, which is this. And now you just need to go click it and wait until the Google Sheet is generate documents for you. And now the Google Sheet is already generate this document and you are ready to work with it. So if you want to change the color, you don't like green, change the color though by block all of the part of the cells that have a green color over here, but just click it. My bad, I will let to show to you. Okay, and after that, whenever you already plugged it, you just need to go click block this first, and after that you just need to jump into this tools and choose another color. If you like blue, just go jump into the blue color and choose the blue color that you want to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to jump into the documents directly to start fulfilling the schedule that you want. Okay, so if you want to change the week of the schedule, for example, here you want to change it to the 2nd December 2023, and after that just need to go click done. And now all of the function, all of the titles here will be directly changed into the December's date. And now you just need to fill all of the activity, all of the schedule that you have on this day. For example, in the 2nd December on a Saturday on 8 in the morning, what do you want to do? For example, you want to have a breakfast, so you just need to go type breakfast. And after that, and then 8:30 you need to take a bath. Just go bath. Meet Martha at coffee party, and so on and so on. And whenever you're done filling, you just need to go click this checklist button and go click this another checklist button, and you are done. Now you already create your own daily schedule. So that's the way how to create a schedule on a Google Sheet, guys. Hopefully it's really helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel.